subscribe. Little bear, where are you? I'm walking in the park. Little bear, what do you do? I fell down and saw a spark on the ground. Rainbow egg wraps. Let's take a look what's inside. 4 more eggs. Let's color them. Let's color this one egg. Say the boy and make it blue. Oh no, it else cracks. Humpty Dumpty, how are you? Little Humpty, little Dumpty, Humpty Dumpty, how are you? Let me color one egg too. Say racoon and make it red. Oh no, it also cracks. It's a dino in his bed. Little dino, you're not bad. You're so funny. I will color one egg too. Say the girl and make it pink. Oh no, it also cracks. Ice cream, such a tasty thing. Tasty ice cream, tasty ice cream, tasty ice cream, tasty and sweet. Let me color this one egg. Say the bear and make it yellow. Oh no, it is a bee. Run away, under you fellow. Run away, under you fellow. Run away, under you fellow. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Oh, friend, want to play? Rain, rain, go away. Brother bear